to the beach day. Waiting on Ariane and Jill. See you there. Here we are, Big Hickory. What's up?
Spencer! Just lathering up over here. I want to get melanoma when I'm 60. Probably already got it. Something to the camera, Jill.
What camera?
I'm sorry. She wasn't paying any attention to you. I apologize.
We need peace to survive, so hear my plea. Make peace with your brother, oh please listen to me. We need world peace, oh but before it is done, make peace with yourself, oh for then you have won.
Dirty Beach Bean Water Day.
Way down there to the bottom, and oh we travel so far to get back to the top. Say it's a long way down there to the bottom, but I know never ever win this war, no. Bring me peace, so that.
Oh yeah, Spence. If you can hear me in there, we're at the Little Hickory Pass.
We gotta come together, got to unite as one.
To take to the water, we got a big storm coming through. There's Ari and Jill. We're gonna make our way back. Quick dry off on our way to the hot caboose. Hot spot?
Am I gonna make a vlog?
We'll put a little tag underneath too. I'll be like, boop.
So on our way back now, great paddleboarding out there on the water today. Very thankful to live in Florida.
Way down there to the bottom, yeah. But I know we never ever win no